Lizban Street in the Rectory Fields Conservation Area. Just the loveliest community and a really special enclave. It's in the Royal Standard in Blackheath in London. Maybe we'll spin round just to give you an idea of the street. It is bin day. It seems to be always bin day when we do filming. Just at the end of the road is the Blackheath Lawn Tennis Club, Blackheath Rugby Club, and that's got squash courts, a gym, and a lovely little nursery as well. So a really great spot. M&S is on your doorstep. What could be better? The food hall. And the old Dover Road, interesting fact, which is at the end of the road, is so called because it's laid over the original Roman road from London to Dover, hence the old Dover Road. So there you go, a bit of potted history. Let's take a look. This is absolutely beautiful. 3 bedrooms, 3 stories. And I think actually we'll start you off downstairs because it is such a lovely feature of the house. I love this panelling as you go down. Panelling is my new favourite thing, and I love this that it's not beading. It's got these lovely wide planks and it just works beautifully. Have a look at this. Have a look at this. This room's 32 foot by 14, so a great size family space. Beautiful kitchen, marble stroke composite worktop. Should have checked that detail before we started. Range cooker, just a lovely family space. Works really well. It's kind of zoned. You've got the family area here, dining area at the back with the bifold doors straight onto the garden. Fireplace with a gas fire, surround sound speakers, and I can't remember if I said underfloor heating. I probably did, so I might be repeating myself there. Understairs storage, and I think, Tony, I'll let you just have a look in here because there is a very handy downstairs WC and utility room. I think we can call it that. Maybe we capture this angle as well. There are window shutters, I think pretty much throughout the house actually. In fact, it is throughout the house. And the house has got wood framed double glazed sash windows throughout as well. Such a lovely feature on a Victorian house. Just makes it nice and cozy, nice and quiet. And again, I hope we're capturing off this room properly because it is beautiful, and it's very nice as we go upstairs as well. So let's head up. There's an entrance to the front as well if you wanted to go out that way. I'm sure nobody's ever used it, but it is there. Again, we've got this panelling on the hall floor as well, and then you're straight into this beautiful family bathroom. Separate shower, underfloor heating in here as well. It's electric underfloor heating here and downstairs, and then it's gas-fired central heating in the rest of the house. His and hers washhand basins, really nice touch, really spacious. Window shutters again, nice and quiet, overlooking the garden at the rear. And then we've got this lovely room at the front. Alcove cupboards. The previous owner really had gone to town on this place. He had thought of everything. The heating can all be controlled from an app on your phone. Very nice feature. I've got the same heating. Works really well. Lovely room. So this we're calling a bedroom. You may use it as a bedroom. You might use it as a study. You might use it as a reading room. Just a really nice versatile space. And then upstairs, we've got 2 very nice bedrooms. And here we are on the first floor. A lovely landing. There's a big loft space upstairs as well. Again, we've got this lovely panelling, and I love the way it delineates the walls. And a beautiful principal bedroom. Light streaming in. I say that with every window we come across, but it really is. What a beautiful day to be doing this. Alcove wardrobes, always very handy. Never have wardrobes in a room. box radiators, wall lights, very nice. Really nice feature, you can just turn them on and off from the bed. Another room here. This is a lovely house. This is a really, really lovely house. Window shutters again, overlooking the garden, nice and peaceful. These roads are super quiet, parking's on street. Very nice indeed. So, transport, I guess Westcombe Park, I haven't looked it up, it's probably about a 20 minutes walk at Westcombe Park station, so that's going to get you into most of the major London stations really quickly, and I think that joins up with St Pancras, I seem to remember. You might want to fact check that, don't hold me to it. And there's a service which takes you straight to Stansted from there as well, so that's pretty handy. As I've said before, it's a really, really nice, quiet family community around here. I really, really like this area. And then a lovely garden. Really nice seating area up here. In the summer, you're going to get sun flooding this space. For sun worshippers like me, because it's nice and raised, so the sun will be clearing the top of the house. There you go, lovely house, available through my Blackheath office. Make sure you book an appointment pretty swiftish, I would say, because it's a lovely family house and they don't come up that often. So give us a buzz, make an appointment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. While I'm here, we have just launched a community channel, Welcome to Blackheath and Greenwich. So if there's things you want to know about the Blackheath and Greenwich area, that's a great place to start, featuring local businesses, charities, schools, venues. We've got some really nice videos. We've got one on at the moment, but we're hoping to roll out a new video every couple of weeks. Very excited about that. Please take time just to have a quick look at that channel. Welcome to Blackheath and Greenwich. Make sure you subscribe, really appreciate it. If you are already subscribed, thank you very much. Let's draw this to a close. See you next time.